Okay, now we're on to trigonometry, question 4.1, and this is a pretty standard question that's kind of straightforward because they say that the tangent of some angle is 5 over 12, and the angle is between 0 and 90 degrees. Well, gee, we just have, there's 0 and 90 degrees. We have to draw a picture, draw a sketch. And the opposite over the adjacent is what tangent is, so it's 5 over 12. And then you go 5 squared plus 12 squared, square root it, and you get 13. So this is 13 you have to write by Pythagoras. Well, you get some marks for the diagram and figuring out that the hypotenuse is 13. Then they say, okay, what's the sine of the angle? Well, sine is opposite over the hypotenuse. It's just 5 over 13. It's that easy. Now, the cosine of 90 minus an angle is equal to the sine of the angle. Now this could be written as the cos of 90 minus alpha times the cos of 90 minus alpha. So it's really the sine of alpha squared. You see the square can go there. You can make a bracket to see what's going on. Well, the sine of alpha is 5 over 13. We just did that. So if we square it, we get 25 over 169. And we subtract 1 from that. And our calculator, or if we had a little bit pretty good at fractions, we could just say, hey, that's negative 144 over 169. Now, here's the next question. We got to do a little bit of using our formula sheet, or we've done enough questions to know that the sine of a double angle, what it equals. Well, the sine of 2 alpha, our formula sheet tells us that it's 2 times the sine times the cosine of an angle. Well, you get a mark just for doing that. And then you just have to substitute in the 5 over 13. The cosine of that angle is 12 over 13. So you just do it. Put that in your calculator. You'll get 2 times 5 times 12 is 60. That's 169 in the bottom. That's 2 times 60 is 120. This is 169 over 169 minus 120. Well, that's 49. If you put that in your calculator will tell you that it's 49 over 169. So there you go.